recorded its first COVID death in Tura, with a 46-year-old man succumbing to the symptoms of the viral infection on Thursday at West Garo Hills. Reportedly, he was suffering from breathlessness and fever, symptoms of the viral disease. A COVID test is said to have turned out positive. Health Minister Amprin Lingdo addressed the press conference to announce the case as she urged the residents to take precautionary measures. Out of the 17 cases, only 4 cases needed hospitalization and nobody is in ICU, she said. The Health Minister wanted the citizens to follow COVID protocols in crowded places. Regarding the vaccines, Health Minister said that the centre is not providing any booster doses. The state government will meet as to how to procure the medicines.
The public. Now, only 4 cases have been hospitalized out of the 70. And this hospitalization also, they have already been accommodated at this point of time. Do not panic. Do not panic and don't feel panicked also. However, if you have the symptoms, then please take necessary precautions. This is what we're saying this time. At one point of time, every citizen was advised to take certain precautionary measures, wearing of mask and other things. But here we're saying that if you have a symptom or if you've come out from a place where there is high positivity rate, take those precautions so that the panic does not